Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a part from grammar. Okay. Before I start with the grammar, can you tell me what is the spelling of grammar? Yes. Grammer. Is it correct? No, it is not correct. The spelling is Gramar. Okay, most of us had made mistake that it is not ER, it is AR. Okay, children. So, I'll tell you what is the grammar part that we are doing today. See here, degrees of comparison. We are going to do degrees of comparison. Why we want to know what is the word we are using to compare? Why there is a degrees for comparison? I'll tell you. Okay. See here. Tell me. See which is smaller? Which is smallest? Yes, two are there. Which is smaller from this? We say this is smaller. Isn't it? This is smaller. Do we say this is small? Among these two we say this is smaller. Now see here, three things are there. When three things are there, we don't say this is smaller. We say this is the smallest. Okay. More than two things, then we say smallest. When it is two things, we say smaller. Okay, children. Now you see here two books are there. Okay. This is thick and this is thin. Okay. So we are going to compare these two. Two things are here. So what we say, this book is thicker than this. Okay. Now when three books are there, see this one. Which is thick, which is thicker, which is thickest, we say. When we are comparing more than two things, we use superlative. That is, this is thickest. Okay. Thickest, thick, thicker, thickest. Okay. Thick, thicker and thickest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. So now you know where you have to strike ER, EST, IER, IEST, more and most. Isn't it? Now we will see some examples. Okay. See here, happy. What is the comparative form for happy? Happier. And what is the superlative form? Happiest. Why? Because here it is Y. And we know when Y is coming, we use IER and IEST. Okay. So here IER and IEST is used. Okay. Next one, lazy. Again, Y is here. So we are using IER and IEST. That is, comparative form we are using IER and in superlative form we are using IEST. Okay. Now here, comfortable. By comfortable we are using more and most. You know, isn't it? And you know what is syllable? Syllable means cat. So that is having only one syllable, whereas funny. Two pronunciation is there. Two words are funny. So two syllables are there. And whereas in comfortable, there are more than two syllables. More than two syllables. Then we use more and most. See here, comfortable. So there are four syllables. More than two syllables. We use more and most. So here we are using more comfortable and most comfortable. Why? Because it is having more than two syllables. Okay, children? Now here, understandable. How many syllables are there? Understandable. More than five. More than two syllables is there. Right? So more than two syllables. So we use more. And here again, most. In comparative form, we use more for those words which is having more than two syllables. And here, most. Because we are having more than two syllables here. Okay, children? Now here again, beautiful. 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 It is also having more than two syllables. Beautiful. Three syllables are there. Isn't it? So here also again more and most is used. Okay. Next one, slowly. Slowly. I told you when adverb is coming, that is when ly is here. Here only y. When y is coming, it is ier, isn't it? Whereas when ly is there and it is adverb, isn't it? So we use again here more and most. But if it is slow, see here, if it is slow, it will be slower. Here will be slowest. Okay, children? And here you see quickly, ly is here. So here will be more quickly. More is used and here most is used because here ly is there. If there is no ly, only quick is there, then what it will be? If only quick is there, we use here quicker and quickest, same like this, quicker and quickest. Okay. Now here good. This is irregular form, right? So for good, this we have to learn by heart. Okay. For good, it is better and best in superlative, and bad for comparative it is worse, and for superlative it is worst. Okay, children. So you know where we use er. Where we use er for almost all the comparative we are using er, and superlative we are using est. Okay. But sometime when it is y is coming, we will add ier and iest in superlative form. Okay, children. Then where we use more and most, we use more when there is more than 2 syllables, and also when adverb with ly comes, we use more and most. Okay, children. Hope you all know what is adverb, what is syllable, and you also know how we write ier, est, ier, iest, more and most in degrees of comparison. Okay, children. So all the best. See this video again and again, so you will be thorough with it. Okay, children. Bye.